Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Dash Wallet application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Play Store on your Android phone and go to the search box and type in Dash Wallet and search. Once you find this application in the search result, simply tap on the install button to begin downloading the application. Dash Wallet allows you to store, send, and receive Dash tokens. The application is available for your mobile devices, desktops, and as hardware wallet. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take several minutes, and once it's done, tap on Open to open the application on your Android phone. So that's how you can easily download Dash application on your Android within a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.